Okay, we are starting. Hello, good morning. We are Rcstars from Shenzhen, and it's our great feeling to come back to InfoComm after COVID years. This time we brought a lot of our new products to InfoComm and show our business and digital together as a great integrated solution. Now I'm introducing you these two products together. These two units we researched and designed for business and life together. Let me show you these two units. This unit with battery, one for indoor and one for outdoor. It makes our business and display integrated together and make the product more convenient with power, because it's with battery, so you don't need to plug AC plug. You can move it in the street easily. Here you can see with the battery, you know how many hours it left. Yes. And here, as you can see, it's our special design to make the power safe. After you remove the plug, it will close automatically. Yes. And this wheel enables you to move the kiosk easily in the street. Yeah. And let me introduce you the glass. For the glass, we add AG glass. It enables the passengers can see the screen very softly without the sun anti-reflection. Also, we add the sensor of the brightness. It helps to save the power when we use this unit. For this unit, we also add the red sensor. When people come close to the kiosk, it will change the brightness automatically. Thanks for the video. We will introduce another one.